Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's another few days in Minecraft Hardcore. As you can see, I've already started building my house while I wasn't doing the YouTube video. I've cleared a lot of trees. I've got all these trees and planks, and I've got a lot of wool. While I wasn't taking a video, I killed an enderman and I got a ender pearl. That would help me if I fight the ender dragon at one point. I've got a lot of meat, so yeah, let's just start right now and see what we can do. First, it's dark, so I might sleep. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to start, getting some more wood and clearing the forest more. I've probably spent like an hour clearing wood all around here. Oh my god. Just burn, little zombie. Die. Oh, that was fast. Okay. I've spent quite a while clearing wood. Yeah. I bet when I'm ready, I've got diamonds and stuff. I'm probably going to fight the Ender Dragon, get the Ender Portal, and the Nether, and go to the Nether. I'll probably go to the Nether first and actually try to get the best armor, and I'll probably, yeah. As you can see, I've cleared a lot of trees all around. They've just been falling. Couldn't reach these, but yeah, I can. No, I can't. But I'll probably stop on when it becomes night and I'll start mining. Like every day I do a different thing. Today it's wood cutting, tomorrow would be like during the night it would be mining, and then during the day it would be farming. And then happens again, and like once a week I'll go out and get food, like game days. Yeah, like I've been doing quite a lot in this world. And if you didn't know, hardcore, you cannot cheat at all. You can't, like, it automatically turns cheats off, so anyway, I wouldn't cheat, but yeah. I'm probably going to try to last for a long time, a couple of real life months in this world. See how good I can get. I'm thinking of trying to get shulker boxes. They're really useful. And I might get a horse. But I need to find a village for that. And yeah. Wonder if I can turn my coordinates on. Controls? No. What about... Nah. I can't turn coordinates on, sadly. Oh, food. And whenever I do see, like, food, I will kill it. I've gone quite far from the house. What time is it? Oh, so it's about, like, 12 o'clock right now. Got another 12 hours of wood cutting. Let's see. I've got, yeah, quite a lot of stacks of wood. Yeah. I think it's starting to turn night. Not sure. Oh yeah, I told you before, but it's a 1.17 version. So we might find glow squid, I think. Didn't mean to use my axe. Yeah, and just 1 second. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about. Just going to mine. Oops, I didn't mean to shear that wood. When this when this iron axe breaks, I probably should go mining. Cool thing is I can jump and mine damage. Like, see how I can't, well, before I couldn't reach. I could jump and get damage done. I've got so many saplings. Literally, I've got like 3 stacks of saplings. I'm going to try to raid a pillager outpost. I'm going to go exploring soon. Might take all my important stuff with me. Just keep going straight. Problem is, you can never just stay still in Minecraft. You always have to go somewhere to find new things. Like once you've built your base, you just want to move again. Well, that's what happens to me all the time. Like I've built my base, but I'm like, this isn't a nice place. I want to go. I want to go far away. Oh, well, that's all I'm going to do today. So, going to collect all my torches and probably go far away from this building. I'll probably take a bed. Actually, no, I've got wool, so need my torches. I'll probably take my saplings. Don't need my flowers. I don't need gunpowder at this moment. Probably take my birch saplings too. Definitely take that. Take all my wood, because that took me a long time to mine. What's in here? I'll take my wool. Might take my dirt. Yeah, I need my food. I don't need that. I need my glass. Probably, yeah, I'll take the gunpowder. Actually, I don't need these. Take my flint. Don't need flowers. Yep, that's probably all I need for today. I'll collect my torches and go. Just eat the raw bit. Can hear zombies. Ah, yep. Feel like a creep is going to blow up on me. God, this zombie's so strong. I'll probably start another video when I start moving and leaving the place. Probably going to end this video very soon. And when I start moving, I'll start. So it's quite dark. Got all my torches, I think. Up, creeper. Come on, go on your home. Go on your home. Finally. That's where you'll live. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be doing more very soon. Can't sleep. Hey, yeah. This is where I'm going to end the video today. Oh, yeah. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed, and to be